In this guide, we'll show you how to format a corrupted SD card on Windows and Mac. Let's get your SD card back to working condition step by step. Part 1. How to format a corrupted SD card in Windows. If you're using a Windows PC, the following methods can help you format a corrupted SD card and restore it to normal. 1.1 Using File Explorer. Use Windows File Explorer to quickly format an SD card. This method works best for SD cards that are still recognized by the system and appear under this PC. Step 1. Insert the corrupted SD card into your laptop using an SD card slot or card reader. Then open File Explorer by pressing Windows+E. Step 2. Click this PC from the left sidebar and locate your SD card under the Devices and Drives section. Step 3. Right-click the SD card, select Format, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the formatting process. Step 4. Select the desired file system FAT32, exFAT, or ENTFS, and adjust the allocation unit size if needed. Step 5. Uncheck the Quick Format option to perform a more thorough format. Step 6. Click Start to begin formatting the corrupted SD card. 1.2. Using Disk Management. If File Explorer fails to format the SD card, you can try using Windows' built-in disk management tool instead. Step 1. Press Windows+X, then select Disk Management. Step 2. Locate the SD card you want to format, right-click it, and select the Format option. Step 3. Choose the desired file system, enable the Perform a Quick Format option, and click OK to start the process. 1.3 Using CMD. When an SD card cannot be formatted using regular methods, you can use the DiskPart tool instead. However, this method requires caution. Selecting the wrong disk number may cause data on other drives to be erased. Step 1. Press Windows+R to open the Run dialog box, type CMD, and click OK to launch command prompt. Step 2. Type DiskPart and press Enter. Then enter list disk to display all available disks on your computer. Step 3. Identify your corrupted SD card. Type Select Disk X and press Enter to select the target disk. Step 4. Enter the clean command and press Enter to remove all data and partitions from the SD card. Step 5. Type Create Partition Primary to create a new partition. Then enter fs equals FAT32 to format the SD card with the FAT32 file system. Step 6. Type Assign letter X and press Enter to assign a drive letter, allowing Windows to access the formatted SD card. 1.4 Using Coolmuster Data Erasure. Coolmuster Data Erasure securely and permanently wipes SD card data through deep erasure, making it ideal for severely corrupted cards or when you need to sell, transfer, or reuse an SD card safely. It removes data traces more thoroughly than regular formatting. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Data Erasure on your Windows PC, then launch the program. Select Drive Wiper from the left panel and choose your SD card. Step 2. Select the Deep Erase mode to thoroughly remove existing data and prevent deleted files from being recovered. Step 3. Click Erase Now and confirm the operation by selecting OK in the pop-up window to start erasing your SD card. Part 2. How to format a corrupted SD card on Mac. If you are a Mac user, you can use the built-in Disk Utility tool to format an SD card without installing any third-party software. Step 1. Insert the corrupted SD card into your Mac using an SD card slot or card reader. Step 2. Open Disk Utility by going to Applications Utilities Disk Utility. Step 3. Select your SD card from the left sidebar, then click the Erase button at the top of the window. Step 4. Choose a suitable file system format, such as MS-DOS FAT for FAT32 or exFAT for larger storage devices, and enter a name for the SD card if needed. Step 5. Click Erase to start formatting the corrupted SD card. Wait until the process is complete, then click Done.